Yo, what is good everyone? Ben from Lover of Tech, and this is another unboxing video, and we have finally the iPhone 12 mini. And before we unbox this, I wanted to give a big thank you and shout out to Vodafone for supplying the review unit of the iPhone 12 mini for testing and review on the channel. I'm gonna have a link in the description below for all the latest deals that you can find on the iPhone 12 mini, and I'm actually excited to actually unbox this one. So let's not waste much time, man. As you guys already know, this is the slimmer packaging because obviously this year there is no charger that comes with the new iPhones in the box. This is the product red iPhone 12 mini in 64 gigabytes. So obviously the proceeds go towards COVID and HIV/AIDS support. Yeah, let's unbox it, man. Whew. Now, a bit of a spoiler, I've already unboxed and held this, and I have to say, I really dig this iPhone 12 mini. And I feel like with my experience with the iPhone 12 Pro Max, this new old school, newer throwback design is so much more comfortable and so much more suited to this smaller mini, and it really harkens back to the iPhone 5S feel. But this red isn't really that red, you know. It's kind of like a peach, orange, kind of pink mixed color. And yeah, that's the iPhone 12 mini so far. As you guys know, a couple of stickers that come in here and booklet for instruction manual, SIM ejection tool, product red. I don't see any Apple stickers, which is cool. That's not really mandatory. And your USB Type-C to Lightning port. Like I've said, I wish it was Lightning. I wish the Lightning wasn't there. I wish it was USB-C to USB-C, but it is what it is. We still have Lightning. So let's put these aside. And as you guys have probably seen other unboxings before, you do have the white paper at the front. First time I've seen any company do that. So power button, silent switch, and you've got the separate volume buttons, not rockers, and you've got a little tag there for the Lightning. And we're gonna peel this off. Ooh, nice. Oh, I can't lie, yeah. Even before turning it on, this is actually nice. I'm digging it. And the aluminium frame is so much more preferred compared to the stainless steel already. No fingerprints at all. Like, why didn't use the aluminium brushed kind of matte finish for the frame of the Pro? I really don't know, but it is hitting so well. See if we've got some charging there. Yep, Apple logo is on. Waiting for that to turn on. And again, in terms of the specifications, you've got dual cameras at the back, no LiDAR scanner, no zoom, 12 megapixels each, f1.6 aperture, obviously with the bigger aperture, same sensor size, 12 megapixel ultra wide. Both can shoot 4K 60 frames a second. And then you've got the 12 megapixel selfie at the front. We'll do a proper first impressions, but you know how I do my unboxings, man. Raw, straight to the point, more judging the feel. And the button placements for the power buttons, right on point. It feels on point. The volume buttons, clicky, no hand gymnastics, right to the corners. Nah, I can't lie, you know. I like it. And I didn't have the same feel for the 12 Pro Max. So this is a good look. Select country region. Start manually. So I'll just do a quick setup, get to the home screen, nearer to it, then we're gonna come back. Now you have a 1080p full high definition plus AMOLED panel, OLED panel that is on here. Swipe up. Oh, this feels, can't lie, this feels refreshing. Wow, this feels really refreshing. Let's go to display. True tone definitely has to come off. Let's look at automatic brightness. Okay, press brightness. No, that's fine. Auto brightness being on is not a problem. You can reach. Do you see that? Oh, that is so refreshing. I know it seems silly, but let me just bring the Pro Max. Then you can really see the difference. You see the difference between the 12 mini and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Oh my goodness. That is night and day. That is a night and day difference. Like, just, you couldn't, there's no way without having to do hand gym, like some hop-ups. Yeah, this is quite refreshing. I don't know if this is for me, but my goodness, is this refreshing. And it feels so much more comfortable. I can't stop emphasizing that. I stated this to be the most uncomfortable phone I've held, and it's a fact. One of the most uncomfortable phones, but this throwback boxy design really suits this smaller form of iPhone. This new 5.4 inch iPhone, wow. By instinct, I really like it. I like it a lot more than I was expecting. And I'm a big phone size user. And wow, I'm actually low-key speechless. I'm surprised I'm speechless. Oh, okay. That's got me intrigued of the normal iPhone 12 and 12 Pro, the 6.1 inches, if that's even more of a perfect size, because this is actually smaller than the iPhone SE. And this really does remind me of that one-handed usability of the iPhone 5S back in the day. But this is near enough an almost all screen display. And obviously with the notch being there, it takes up a decent amount of the room on the space of the display. Oh wow, this is really good. This is really, really nice. Let me just show off the colorway. Again, you've got the glossy back, so it attracts a lot of fingerprints, but I really, really dig the aluminium rails. Oh my goodness, this is so much better. And I really wish they went with that on the Pro models, because this stainless steel, look at it, all the fingerprints that's been smudged up on it. Oh my goodness, this is so much better. It's not catching any fingerprints. They should have just done matte on matte, you know, like the brushed aluminium with the matte back, no issues. I don't know, anyway, that's another thing. Look, let me not take too much of your time. Again, a big thank you to Vodafone for bringing in the iPhone 12 mini for testing and review on the channel. First impressions coming up soon. So far, if you couldn't tell, I actually really like it. I like it way more than I was expecting it to. So that's it for me, man. This is an unboxing of the iPhone 12 Petite or Petit or iPhone 12 mini. We're gonna put that next to the 12 Pro Max. If you enjoy videos like this, you know exactly what to do. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're part of Team TLS, the Tech Level Squad, so you don't miss any future videos on the channel. I hope you're all safe during this time. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.